Hello everyone! Welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. In today's episode, we are going to make tacos together. Tacos are one of my favorite meals that I like to make at home because it is easy and simple. Before we get started, please click like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And if you love my videos and if you would like to further your English learning journey, consider my ebooks or my video courses. The link is below. Welcome to my kitchen. I have the ingredients out to cook the turkey tacos. I have ground turkey breast, salsa, cilantro, or some of you may call this coriander, avocados, lime, and corn taco shells. They are hard shells. I also have seasoning, taco seasoning. Actually, there's one more announcement before we start the cooking. I have been receiving various requests on subtitles, whether to put them on the video or not. Some people want them, some people don't. So I have given you the option to turn on the caption with the YouTube settings. However, now I'm receiving feedback that sometimes the YouTube captions are incorrect. So I am going to put captions below, and I will put them in smaller letters so that you can skip over the captions if you do not need it. So let me know here, comment below, how you feel about these captions today. It is very hard to make everyone happy, but I am doing my best to figure out the happy medium for everyone with the captions. I'm going to roll up my sleeves. This is rolling up sleeves. And I'm going to wash my hands. The first step is to warm up the pan or the skillet. In my breakfast video, someone asked, what is the difference between pan and skillet? A skillet is a type of pan. A skillet looks like this. So I do most of my cooking in this skillet. I am taking the lid off of the skillet, and I'm turning the dial counterclockwise to light the gas, and I will place it to medium. I like using butter to coat the bottom of the skillet. I'm cutting a pat of butter. A pat is like a slice of butter, and I'll place it in the pan. I think I need a little bit more. The reason why I like to use butter over oils is I think it's healthier. It also has more flavor, in my opinion. I'm scraping the butter off of the knife along the edge of the pan. This is scraping. I'm pulling this spoon rest out to lay the spatula on it. I'm spreading the butter evenly along the bottom of the pan. Now I need to cut this package open. I'm using the knife and poking a hole in the plastic. Here is the ground turkey breast. Now I am flipping this package over to place the ground turkey breast onto the pan. The turkey is starting to sizzle in the pan. I'm using the spatula to break up the ground turkey. While the turkey is cooking, I'm going to slice some avocado. I am feeling for the firmness of each avocado. Whichever avocado feels soft, I will cut it up today to put into the taco. I will only cut up one avocado, and this will be split between my husband and I. I'm going to rinse this. Now I will cut the stem off. And I will scoop this part of the stem out. I'm slicing the avocado in half, and I will roll it around until the knife meets the starting point of where I cut. Then I twist, and I will take this seed out. I do not like to eat the brown part. This brown is called oxidation, which basically means that oxygen has touched that area and it's no longer healthy to eat. So I'm scooping it out like this, and I will scoop this one out as well. Now I will take the pointy part of the knife and slice into thin pieces. Then when we are ready to eat, I will scoop it out with a spoon. It is time to season the ground turkey breast. So here's the seasoning. It is spicy taco seasoning. I'm tearing the top. I'm not sure how spicy this is, so I'm only going to put in a little bit. I'm sprinkling the seasoning onto the ground turkey. Now I will toss this around. We're pulling out some of the taco shells. We're going to assemble the tacos. While my husband is pulling the shells out, I am going to cut up some cilantro. Cilantro is one of my favorite herbs. It has a refreshing flavor. I need to rinse them in the water to get rid of all the dirt. I am picking the leaves off like this because I don't really like to eat the stems. And now I'm rolling this up into a ball, and I will use the back edge of the knife to slice into the cilantro. Now I will hold down the tip of the knife and cradle the knife like this, back and forth. We are warming up the taco shells in the toaster oven. I guess we are having 2 tacos per person. This salsa is hot, but I'm not sure how hot, so we will find out soon. I'm opening the lid and I'm peeling back the seal. Inside this salsa, we have tomato, bell pepper, jalapeno, onion, garlic, cilantro, lime juice, salt, and garlic powder. I am cutting this lime in half, but first I will roll this lime around on the cutting board to get the juices flowing. Then I will slice it in half. I love lime. We're taking the shells out. They're very hot. Oh, Louis, do you want some tacos? Nari, you're hungry too? It's time to assemble. Taking the lid off. The ground turkey is ready to be eaten. I'm tossing the turkey around to make sure that it is evenly warm. Now I will scoop with the spatula and carefully place into the shell, like that. I prefer actually to not eat it in the shell. I like to make a bowl because it's messy, but we'll see how it goes. One more scoop. Carefully, oh, I knew it. Place it into the shell. I'm placing the spatula back onto the spoon rest and closing the lid. I will throw this away. Now I will take the avocado out like this. I should place it in there. We'll see if it stays. I think that's too many avocados. I will just place the rest right here on the side. Now I'm sprinkling cilantro. Oh, that's a lot of cilantro. That's okay. I like cilantro. And a squeeze of lime. Unfortunately, oh man, this lime has no juice. I'm gonna take some salsa and place it into the shell. I am so hungry now, but that's my taco. Here I go. It's gonna be very crunchy. Mmm. Pretty good. What did you learn from today's video? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to sound like a native English speaker, check out my ebooks and video course. The link is below. Thank you for watching. I'm going to enjoy my tacos, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!